Hello, boys and girls. Happy Friday. I hope you are having a wonderful day. I'm so glad that you just got done reading The Water Princess by Susan Verde, which is about a young experience from someone in Africa, Bajel. And she is helping to raise awareness and funds, money, to bring clean drinking water to the people of Burkina Faso and other countries in Africa. Unfortunately, there are a lot of countries in Africa that do not have clean water to drink. And that was one of the things that she talked about in her book, that their water looks like the earth. It's the color of mud. And so I can imagine having to drink that kind of water. And we are so fortunate here that we do not have to worry about that. We have clean water to our access all the time. And so this information is very informative to us, and it lets us read this with imagery so that it really sticks with us. Even the illustrations in the story are really vivid, and the paintings capture the glow of the hot sun, because I can imagine how hot it is in Africa, but also the sparkle in the night sky. And so we can kind of see how this princess imagined her kingdom, even though it was very dirty at the same time. She had very great dreams. So what you're going to do today is look at this book, and I want you to think about the important problem here that she is facing, and that is access to clean drinking water in third world countries. So your job today, after we read this story, is to come up with an innovative way to provide people with clean drinking water. I'm going to provide for you a graphic organizer and class kit so that you can plan out your ideas. I think you did a wonderful job planning out your ideas for Rosie Revere and flying. I really enjoyed watching your videos, and I know that you're going to come up with an inventive way to provide these people in third world countries with clean drinking water. So the first thing that I want you to do is plan it in ClassKick so that I can see your plans. And then your second step is to be able to record it in Flipgrid so that we can see your innovative way. And then I'm also going to include an article that I would like for you to read that kind of pertains to this as well. And there will be a ClassKick activity for you after you read the article. I hope you have a wonderful day and that you get your imagination rolling, because I know you're going to do amazing. I can't wait to see them.